Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Keisha and I'm the owner of Side Hustle Keisha. I am a side hustle advocate. My goal on this channel is to tell you every side hustle that I can find out here that you can do from the comfort of your home. And if you like to get out every now and then and meet new people or see people, I'll share opportunities where you can get out and do some work and make some money outside of your home as well. But the whole goal here on this channel is to keep you in the know of the top side hustles that are out here in Side Hustle Zone for you, in the work from home zone for you, in the remote work from home opportunities available to you. So make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the notification button, so every time I upload a new opportunity, you're notified, okay? But most important, I want you guys to know that my passion behind Side Hustle Keisha is that my goal as a single mom and entrepreneur is to help decrease the rate of Americans who actually live paycheck to paycheck. We're at 80% of households live paycheck to paycheck. We want to knock that down. We want you to know that there's another way for you to make additional income so you don't have to be waiting around for the next pay period to come. Also, we want to help those who may not have an issue with the next pay period coming around, but they want to build an extra stream of income. They want to help provide their family members or their children with extracurricular activities, or be able to take more vacations, whatever the reason for you indulging or embarking on a work from home opportunity. We want to be here as a support to you. We give tips and we share opportunities on a regular basis. Also, I want you guys to know below each video, there is a description box. Under that description box will be opportunities available to you. I will also share links to the sites that we discussed in the video. But most importantly, I want you to know that I have free goodies for you. I have a 7-top work from home side hustle. You just click on the link and follow the steps. We also share with you our number one top recommendation for making money from home, our number one top recommendation for making money online. Okay, so make sure you come over here and check these out. Go ahead and walk through the steps and get that free information that's for you. Let's jump right over to our first opportunity today. We're talking about four side hustles that you can work at night or anytime around your particular schedule. Okay, so let's jump right into it. The first opportunity is going to be with a company called World Travel Holdings, and I was just checking it out here because they have some great options here. World Travel Industry Powerhouse. So World Travel Holdings is a travel agency, a travel company actually, and when you go up to top to hear careers, go work from home, because we're talking about work from home. But if you go to careers, listen, if you guys were interested in becoming a travel agent, they have information on that. How to choose work, they have information on that. If you're interested in a franchise and contract opportunities, click there. If you're looking for technology, they have that as well. So this website has multiple opportunities, but today we're talking about the work from home option, and let's jump right into that. Okay, work from home, work at home. Interested in our work at home positions, connect now. So you would click here. Let me just tell you, enjoy the perks. Get all of the advantage of working with the travel industry powerhouse from the comfort of your home. Create your own dress code. Become an employee and a member of World Travel Holdings team. Receive paid training as well as ongoing training and support. Get a computer and access to support team. That's a bonus on this one. Enjoy great benefits and paid time off. Get access to great travel discounts and perks. So World Travel Holdings, here's the perk, here's the bonus, provides you a computer, monitor, keyboard, mouse, and phone and headset. You will need a private area to work in a free of distractions. Your home office must not be in the same residence as another current World Travel Holdings at home employee. Okay, so you would need cable internet, DSL, your speed. It goes over to your minimum required speeds, 10 point megabytes per download. Speed has to be a 5 megabytes. So upload speed, and they have a test here. You can click on here. I tested my speed. I was well over what the minimum that was required. They don't support dial-up, satellite connections, line, on-site, or Wi-Fi, so you have to be on the internet. You will be required to obtain traditional landline base on the speed and stability of the internet connection. We do not support internet-based phone services, Vonage, Magic Jack, Skype, or So your investment. Here's the key. A refundable $250 deposit for a company computer and phone. Deposit is spread out over the 5 payroll deductions. So listen, you don't have to come up with this upfront money. Listen, they'll give it to you. You're just going to pay it out of your next 5 checks. I really like this because a lot of companies want you to pay sometimes you're out of pocket up front when you work from home about $400. This company hasn't done that. If you already have your cable, which is you need the initial setup fees for cable or DSL, you're going to be paying anywhere from $0 to $200. If you already have the internet, that knocks that out. Unless your speed is low and you might have to up your speed. You're going to need the UPS surge protector, which is $50 to $100. So right now you're looking at anywhere from $50 to $100 if you already have the high enough internet speed. That's nothing. Okay, that saves you money on getting the computer and all that because they're providing it for you, and it's going to come out your next 5 paychecks. Other optional supplies include notebook, pens, and printer and fax. So this is a very flexible job. They have a bonus if you do get hired on. You don't have to come up with that equipment. Listen, this sounds so good. Let's go to search jobs. Okay, so I'm going to go briefly over the jobs. You guys can come in here and see what works best for you. But I definitely wanted to review this with you because I thought this was a great opportunity. Group support coordinator, Villa sales specialist, workforce management coordinator, web and email designer, marketing copywriter, Villa concierge, customer service remote. Check this one out. Travel sales agent remote. Check that out. Marketing specialist, IT agile scrum master, and software engineer manager. IT business analyst. You guys come here, check out these opportunities, see if you fit any of the, you meet the qualifications, and check them out, especially the 2 remote opportunities for those of you who are looking to work from home. So that was the World Travel Holdings. That's the first one, okay? I want you guys to jump right over with me. Let's go together to our second opportunity. And our second opportunity is going to be with 3Play. 3Play Media. Join 3Play Media. 3Play Media is a rapidly growing startup located in Boston Seaport Innovation District. We're looking for motivated, energetic, and creative candidates who are excited to help us transform the way people access video. So if you were looking for jobs in Boston, you can do that. But if you're looking for remote jobs, the transcript editor job is going to be one we're going to be looking very closely at tonight. So just so you can get some information here, our office is an awesome location, although you wouldn't be working in the office, but they're in Boston. So perks and benefits of working with 3Play include competitive compensation, medical, vision, 401k. That's if you're looking for a full-time permanent job. But if you're looking just to supplement your income, then let's jump right over to the transcript editor jobs, okay? So this is the transcript editor job, current openings for contract work. Please review our current job openings and follow the instructions to apply. To learn more about what it's like to be a transcript editor with 3Play, read some of the editor profiles, okay? So English transcript editor is what they're looking for right now. So I'm going to read over just a few of the descriptions so you know. We're looking for contract transcriptionist editors to transcribe recorded audio and edit imperfect transcription using our proprietary internet-based software applications. Since all the transcription work is performed remotely, you'll need a good computer and high-speed internet connection. As a contractor transcript editor, you would decide which projects to accept, how much you work, and when you were to perform the work, okay? So excellent written communications is one of the qualifications. Excellent command of English usage, grammar, and punctuation. Experience with computer word processing. Typing ability at least 75 words per minute. Must be at least the age of 18. Nice to have qualifications. Familiarity with Microsoft Excel, spreadsheet, and applications. Strong technical and proficient with computers and computer applications. And the computer requirements are here. Come here and check them out. Location is remote. Compensation is project-based, equivalent to $10 to $30 per hour, depending on your efficiency. How to apply, get started. Please complete this application. So that was for the English transcript editor. They also have a Spanish. Check that one out, okay? I want you guys to get to see what some of the transcriptors are saying about this company. So one right here Daniel, I have an organic urban farm that supplies restaurants and area farmers markets. Sometimes I'm incredibly busy and sometimes I'm not. Even a regular part-time job absolutely wouldn't work because it wouldn't be flexible enough for what I do. Three play is perfect because I'm able to work when I can and cut back when I can't. Plus it adds a very nice supplement income during my off season when the farm is bringing in less. Okay, so come here, check out some of um, the editors' profiles and see what they have to say about working for 3Play. So that was 3Play. Remember, all of the links to these sites will be in the description below. That's my number 2 side hustle. Let's go on over to number 3. Okay, I think you guys will like number 3. Number 3 is with as an Apple Home Advisor. Here are some of the frequent questions asked about an Apple Home Advisor. Apple at Home Advisor position is part of the Apple Care, Apple's customer service group. This job gives you an opportunity to be part of this team while you work from home. What kind of work would I do as an at-home advisor? As an at-home advisor, you'll be responsible for answering customer questions over the phone or via chat about Apple products, services, accessories, including both software and hardware. What are some of the specific products I support? No single at-home advisor handles every product at once, but the products supported by Apple advisors include Apple Watch, iPhone, iPod, iPad, Mac, Airport, Apple TV, and iTunes. You'll also be among the first to learn about new up and coming products. Will be before the public hears it, okay? So that's some information about the Apple Home. How much would I be paid? Salaries are competitive and will be discussed during the recruiting process. Does Apple provide employee benefits? Yes. What are the home office requirements? So they'll go over some of the home office requirements here. You can get that information once you come over to the website. How do I purchase my own computer and phone? Do I have to purchase my own computer and phone? No, we'll provide an iMac and a headset to be used exclusively for your advisor work. Another bonus, ding, 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 ding. So, does Apple provide training for the position? Yes, okay. Here, this sounds great, you guys. Here's all the questions. Let's search for available jobs, okay? And what I'm told is Apple has positions open for the home advisor off and on. So you got to come in here and catch this when they happens fast, okay? So here we'll just scroll through here and look at the positions that they have available. You guys have to come here and look at the positions because they bring that home advisor up and they bring it down. Just think, there's probably tons of people who want to work from home. Let's see here if we can come across it. At-home advisor, German speaking. So they have at-home advisor right now, German speaking. At-home advisor, Apple Care, Australia. Listen, Singapore. They have something in San Diego. Functional Q&A, home. Automation engineering, home. So you guys, they have home opportunities. Come over here and check them out and go from here. I'm always going to bring you to the water. It's up to you if you want to drink, okay? So that's Apple. That'll be below in the description box. And I like that they provide the computer. So let's say ding, 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 ding for another bonus. Let's jump right over to Fancy Hands. We get things done. Fancy Hands is a team of US-based assistants at your fingertips. Use any device at any time of day, and our assistants will tackle anything on your to-do list. Let's learn more, okay? So you guys would scroll down to the bottom, you would click on jobs over here at Fancy Hands, click on jobs, and then you would about jobs, press Fancy Hands offer virtual assistance to everyone. To do this, we need a team of great assistants. We currently hiring people to work as assistants for thousands of very discerning users off this site. If you have fast internet connection and ability to use common websites and software, this could be a lot of fun. So let's click here to apply for the assistant position. Okay, here. The work, making phone calls on behalf of people, canceling their cable, a lot harder than it sounds, scheduling appointments, doctors, business, etc., tracking down the best price for something, finding hotels that meet certain criteria, data entry. We're looking for communication skills are a must. Sorry, communication skills are a must. People will tell you what to do. You must be able to figure out what they are asking for and be able to get a clear response back to them. People with knowledge of different fields. Self-starter, you should want to take on more responsibility and try new things. Important, you need to have an audio headset with a microphone to do this job. In some cases, iPhone headphones work just like the pay. To start, you'll get paid per task depending on how quickly the task is finished, what time of day it is, and how complicated the task is. For example, let's say you have 5 different tasks to make reservations at a restaurant. To start, tasks are worth anywhere from $3 to $7 per task and go up from there. If interested, you may be promoted to a managerial type position, managing other assistants and helping ensure everything runs smoothly. Payment goes out every other week on Tuesday via Dwow. Okay, so you can click on here to check out how the payment goes out. The position and this company has huge room for growth. You can define your own hours. Ideally, I want people around 24 hours a day. So if you've got the time at 4 a.m., great. If you want to work 9 to 5, perfect. So you would click here to apply now. So that's my fourth work from home side hustle that you can do at any time. It's a flexible schedule. You can do it at night, do it in the morning. And listen, you guys shouldn't have any issue coming over here finding something that works for you. Okay, I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys look below in the description box and know that the links are there for you. So go ahead and click on those links and start applying. Make sure you hit subscribe, make sure you hit notification, make sure you go in the description box of this video and get my free side hustle guide. Make sure you get my #1 recommendation from working from home, and I'll see you guys in my next video. You guys have a great one. Bye-bye.